Hello everyone, Chell here with Prismatic Powders, and today we're going to give you our top 5 reasons why powder coating is better than paint. And I'm not talking about spray paint, that would be too easy. I'm talking about professional painting out of an HVLP spray gun paint. Here we go. Number 5. Health and environmental risks and hazards. Powder coating is less hazardous than paint since it's a dry media, there's no harmful solvents to deal with and no VOCs, and there's much less waste, which means it's safer for both the applicator and the environment. Number 4, cost. Powder coating requires less in terms of materials for application. Often application is just complete in one coat, and as I just mentioned, there's less waste. So overall, the cost of the process, time and materials is much less than paint. This is a highly efficient process. Number 3, options of colors and textures. While it's true that in the world of painting, there are many colors, but there's not much of a contest when it comes to color options and texture options with powder. Not only do we offer so many thousands of colors that we stopped counting, we've got a huge selection of wrinkles, hammer tones, and veins, among other textures, something that paint just doesn't offer. Number 2, simplicity and ease of use. Although it does take some skill and knowledge to powder coat correctly, the barriers to entry are relatively low, and for the most part, comparatively speaking, it's far easier to get a nice, even level finish with powder coating as opposed to paint. And because of this, it's also much easier for a beginner to approach since it's a quite forgiving process. And number 1, durability. There is a reason that powder coating is the preferred coating across so many industries. Everything from automotive components to bikes and power sports, construction. It's not just because of its good looks, although to be honest, that does play a role too. It's also because of that durability. This is a thick, resilient finish, which may be its only drawback. All right, that is my top 5. Feel free to argue or give your top 5 reasons in the comments below. As far as I can tell, there's really no reason not to powder coat something if it's metal. Okay, that might be another drawback, but that is it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.